So, digging up some bulbs and decide to put some skip. And what does Lance do? He just starts digging where I just like put some mulch down, you know. Oh, I'm just gonna see what Dad did over here. Hey, Lance, find anything good there? Treasure? Hey, you can't have that. No, you can't. All my hard work, Lance. Do you really want that canna bulb, Lance? Do you? Really? What are you doing? You were no help all day, and now you're trying to help. What did I just say? No digging. Jesus. Lance, come on. Really? But I could have swore there was huge plants here. Jesus Christ. What are we going to do with this dog? In other news, the cannas are the canna bulbs are crazy huge. And again, Lance is just doing his landscaping. Alright, cool. Thank you, Lance. Give Lance all these yummy treats. And what does he want? He wants to just eat canna bulbs. I don't know if they're bad or good for him, but he's been playing with it for an hour. And now he decided he wants to rip it apart and see how it tastes. Look at this dog. Uh-oh, he lost it. Oh, he found it. Again, Lance? Come on. Seriously. Where were you helping earlier? Where was all this ingenuity earlier, Lance? This dog has found his new passion. Come over here and just look at this. This is why we can't have nice things.